Hello, good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Positive Channel. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. Now, in today's video, we're going to talk about September 18. I got another recipe book. So I'm basically going to just show you them and talk about them. And if you guys are interested, like you will see the name of them and you guys can use your time to bake, to cook, whatever you like. Just like last week, Thursday, when I made the banana bread. Yeah, that was like the most amazing recipe ever. Like, I was searching it on Google and I just made it. It was delicious. Maybe you guys may have seen it on my short story. Yeah, it was amazing when I made that banana bread. So I'm going to show you some in this book, and if you guys want to try it out, try them out. Okay, let's go. Start this video. So the first one is called mini mushroom pies. Okay, so this is the mini mushroom pie. This is just for December. Okay, and then for next year they have lasagna. Ooh, I love lasagna. Like, lasagna is like my favorite. Okay. And then you guys can kind of see how to make them. This one is called cream with celery soup with chili flakes and kernels, I think. So I'm just gonna just show y'all them today. Like, can't write all of this, it's too long. The next one is tortillas or something like that. So this is what they look like. This one is called arugula and relish salad. So if you guys want to eat something healthy, this is what it looks like. Okay. And if my energy is different, guys, not feeling well today. If you guys see a little low energy in me, so bear with me in this video, okay? Next one is called pulled pork or sourdough bread. Okay, that's that one. I need to pause. Okay, guys. The next one is the lemon cheesecake. This one's like my favorite when I saw this one. And then the next one is for black and green beans. I don't even know how to pronounce the first name. That's what it looks like. This one is called plum tater. Okay. I'm showing you guys the new one. This one's called lettuce whip with shrimp. This one is called Korean fried chicken. Okay. And then this one is cranberry cream pie. This one's like my favorite. Okay. And then the last one is Brussels. And then the last one is Brussels goose leg pork. Okay. So that's the last one. Okay. So those are the recipe. If you guys want to know how, this is like a calendar book. This is her calendar. And I don't know if they have a website. They have a website. So I'll put the website here. They have phone numbers and stuff like that. But I'll put the website in the description. So if you guys want to go and try these recipes, you can go and find them. I really don't want to have the energy to write them down because of how I'm feeling. But if you guys want to get that, I'll put the website in the description. And then you guys can go check them out. Okay? So yeah, that's it. Okay? So other than that, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below what you guys think about this video. The next video is step 1 primer makeup forever, and then we have the Kansas Jam, and then the last one's gonna be some 90s toys that I want to do. So you may have heard me mentioning on my short story that I want to do, show you guys some 90s toys. Okay, so let me end this vlog right here. If you're new, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my social medias, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.